Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights and tips to help you thrive in the health and wellness industry. Today, we're going to discuss how to start a successful business in this ever-growing field. So, if you're passionate about making a positive impact on people's lives, this video is for you. Transition to animated graphics highlighting the steps. Host. Step 1. Choose a niche. The health and wellness industry is diverse, so it's crucial to find your focus. Whether it's fitness, nutrition, mental health, holistic therapies, or natural products, discover your passion and expertise. Host. Step 2. Conduct thorough market research. Get to know your target audience, study your competitors, and identify market trends. Understanding the needs and preferences of your potential customers will help you tailor your offerings. Host. Step 3. Develop a comprehensive business plan. Outline your goals, define your target market, devise effective marketing strategies, and create financial projections. Your business plan will be your roadmap to success. Host. Step 4. Set up your business structure. Choose a legal structure that suits your needs, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name and ensure you have the necessary licenses and permits. Host. Step 5. Secure funding. Determine your startup costs and explore funding options. You can self-finance, seek investors, apply for small business loans, or even consider crowdfunding to bring your vision to life. Host. Step 6. Find a suitable location. If you plan on having a physical presence like a fitness studio or wellness retreat center, select a convenient and accessible location that aligns with your target market. Host. Step 7. Build a strong brand. Develop a compelling brand identity that resonates with your audience. Create a unique brand name, design an eye-catching logo, and build a professional website. Clearly communicate your mission, values, and the benefits your products or services offer. Host. Step 8. Offer high-quality products and services. Invest in excellence. If you're opening a fitness studio, hire qualified trainers and offer diverse classes. If it's an e-commerce store, source reputable health products and provide accurate information to customers. Step 9. Implement a solid marketing and promotion strategy. Utilize online and offline channels, such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, influencer collaborations, local advertising, and events. Forge partnerships with complementary businesses to expand your reach. Host. Step 10. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering personalized experiences, responding promptly to inquiries, and addressing any concerns. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can work wonders for your business. Host. Step 11. Stay updated and evolve. The health and wellness industry is ever evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about new trends, research, and customer demands. Adapt your business strategies accordingly and continue to innovate. Closing shot. Host standing confidently. Host. Remember, starting a business in the health and wellness industry requires dedication, knowledge, and a genuine passion for helping others achieve their well-being goals. By following these steps and staying committed to your vision, you can create a successful venture that positively impacts lives. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks so watch video, subscribe my channel.